Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this NEC Display PJ-P525UL LCD projector, 1080p, HD TV, 1610, ceiling, rear, front, laser 20,000 hour normal mode, 1920 by 1200, WUXGA, 500, 000:1, 5200 lumens, HDMI, USB 320W. White color, then please visit the link provided in the description. The NEC PJ-P525UL is designed to deliver a premium projection experience, whether you're in a corporate boardroom, a classroom, or setting up a home theater. Thanks to its laser light source, it offers an impressive lifespan of up to 20,000 hours, eliminating the constant maintenance headaches of traditional projectors. WUXGA resolution at 1920 by 1200 ensures every image, slide, or video is crisp, detailed, and perfectly proportioned. Boasting 5,200 lumens brightness paired with a staggering 500:1 contrast ratio, it produces vibrant visuals even in brightly lit rooms. Colors are vivid, darks are rich, and details are sharp, creating an immersive experience for presentations, movies, or gaming. Ambient light won't compromise the quality of your visuals, making it versatile for multiple environments. Installation is extremely flexible. Ceiling mount, front projection, or rear projection, this projector adapts to any space with ease. Its wide array of connectivity options, including HDMI and USB, allows seamless integration with laptops, media players, and streaming devices. The white, minimalist design helps it blend unobtrusively into any room while quietly projecting stunning visuals. Laser technology reduces heat and keeps noise to a minimum, making long sessions comfortable without distraction. The high contrast ratio and WUXGA resolution ensure smooth motion, accurate color reproduction, and excellent image fidelity, whether you're showcasing high-definition movies or intricate data charts. From classrooms and offices to home theaters, the NEC PJ-P525UL offers long-term reliability and outstanding visual performance. Its combination of durability, brightness, and high-resolution clarity makes it suitable for professionals and tech enthusiasts alike. The projector is a long-term investment in quality, offering both convenience and cutting-edge visual performance. With easy setup, low maintenance, and superior image quality, it delivers consistent performance in almost any environment. For those seeking a projector that's dependable, bright, and capable of delivering large, clear visuals, the NEC PJ-P525UL is an ideal choice. Explore the link in the description to see the latest pricing and specifications. Enhance your workspace or entertainment area with a projector that sets a high standard for clarity and performance.